Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sync Apple Health with Strava. So actually that's so easy to have been done. What I want to do first guys is to make sure that your Apple Health is functioning well on your phone, and also I need you to make sure that you have the Strava app and you already signed in, and yeah, also you have an account, especially you have the subscription. So let's get into Strava. Okay, so right here, once we tap on Strava, we will be forwarded directly to the home page. So this is not the place that we will complete the steps on. So let's go into you in the bottom right corner right here, tap on it. And after we are here, what I'm going to do is to head over into the gear icon on the top right, this one, tap on it. And as you can see right here, we have the connect an app or device right here, but I want to go into the manage apps and devices. If you already have that app, it will be automatically appeared when you tap on manage app and devices right here. So for me, I have the services right here. I have the Google Fit, so I will set an example with Google Fit because I don't have the I have the Android, I don't have the iOS, so the Apple Health is available only for the iOS users. It's not on my Android system. So you just need to go into the Apple Health, you will have it right here, and you will just need to toggle it on or to check it just by tap on it, on that square right here. So you just need to go into connect, and then you need to choose which Gmail or email that you want to work with, and then you just need to complete the process and the steps right here. So for example, use Google Fit to see and so etc. So let's choose all and then hit continue, and yeah, so as you can see, connect it to Google Fit. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.